We usually eat lunch between 11 and 11:30. So we need to get down and get them fed. Because we got to get to nap by 12 or we don't sleep well. Come on.
Danielle does the majority of the cooking for sure. Just because, I don't have time to do it.
I don't have time to do it either. I used to enjoy cooking. It's such a big chore now to have so much of it. And the babies are really picky, so it's interesting trying to find stuff. It's super, super challenging when there's so many of them. And you'd think with them being Quints, that they would all like the same thing and all dislike the same thing, but it's so random. So it's so hard to cook meals that will feed all of them. They'll get like mashed potatoes, rice and gravy type things, so it might be a roast or it might be like chicken with some veggies. My thing is trying to think about what I'm gonna make during the week, because otherwise I'm gonna go to the store and be like, I'm gonna get this, and then I didn't even get anything to make a complete meal. So really kind of planning what you're gonna have for the week.
There's no room for like clean freaks in this house. We have babies painting their faces with ketchup. Hazel, what's on your face? Riley's heading into battle with her war paint. Why aren't you eating anything but ketchup? If they're done eating and they don't want it anymore, they just want it completely out of sight. No, Riley. One of them spills and throws their plate onto the floor. They all see it, and then it's just one after another after another. And if you don't hurry up and just grab all their plates, once it starts happening, they'll all end up on the floor. Who's all done? I gotta wipe your face. There's always a strategy involved as far as like which ones get changed first, which ones get wiped first. Looks like lunchtime's over. Now who's gonna clean up?